Today we break down the brand new UK Youth Mobility Visa opening in February 2026, step by step, eligibility, application process and key dates. Let's get started. In 2026, the UK Youth Mobility Visa opens again, and if you're aged 18 to 30, you could live and work in the UK for up to 2 years. But not everyone can apply at the same time, and some must enter a ballot first. The Youth Mobility Scheme allows eligible young people to live, work or study in the UK for up to 24 months. You can do most jobs, travel across the UK, and enjoy life in Britain during your stay. To qualify, you must be aged between 18 and 30 years old on the date you apply, or up to 35 if you're from countries like Australia or New Zealand. You must also have at least $2,530 in savings, held for 28 days before applying. You cannot bring dependents with you under this scheme. For some nationalities, specifically Hong Kong, SAR and Taiwan, the UK Home Office uses a ballot system. The first ballot opens on 10 February 2026 and closes 12 February 2026. If you're successful, you'll be invited to complete your full visa application. You apply online through the official UKVI website. During the process, you'll pay the standard visa fee and the health surcharge, upload your passport and bank proof, and either scan your ID or book a biometrics appointment. Most decisions are made within about 3 weeks. Apply up to 6 months before your intended travel date. If you're entering a ballot, get your entry ready before the window opens. And always double-check you meet every requirement to avoid delays. If this helped you, hit subscribe and share this with someone planning to come to the UK. Comment below with your questions. We'll help you understand it better.